So hi guys, welcome to the channel. Myself Shubham, currently studying in MD second year in University of Perpetual Help in Philippines. So basically today's video is going to be a comparison video on Marrow and PrepLadder, like two of the best online institutes which give materials for the preparation of NET PG and also FMG. Like if you are a foreign medical graduate, so when you will be coming to India, you will be giving a licensing exam, that is FMG, and after, like if you want for NET PG also, like the students over India or from outside, all of you need to go through NET PG. So basically Marrow and PrepLadder give you a subscription. If you take a subscription, they'll be giving you videos, question banks, notes and all of this stuff so that you can prepare better and you can give NET PG for a better rank. So coming to the video, like if we take faculty, I was attending I had taken subscription from Marrow, so it's been 1 or 2 months I've been attending videos. So if you talk about Marrow, for Ops and Gynae I was attending, and the teacher was Sakshi Arora ma'am, and she was very good. Like she starts from the basic and goes till the top, like top level, and she discusses the questions and all, so it's very good. And for medicine I was going through the classes of Rakesh sir, and he was also very good. Like what he does is he links everything. Like if there in medicine, like if there is a basic of that topic, like for anatomy, physio and medicine, so basically what it does is it starts from anatomy, links everything and gets into medicine. So it's very good of him. Like I just love his lectures. And for this video only I was going through some classes from PrepLadders. Like one teacher was Deepak Marwa, who teaches medicine. He was good but not the level of Rakesh sir, to be fair. And I had attended pharma of Dr. Ranjan sir from Marrow. He was also very good. The teachers are obviously very good, like they're doctors, they're qualified doctors, so no question on that. And in ortho in Marrow, the teacher is Dr. Abbas Ali. You all might be knowing, he is like a pro in ortho, so he was very good. Like he's a very good teacher. So on my personal preference, I loved Marrow because I've been attending from 2 months and I found it a bit like useful for me because I'm in second year, so I have plenty of time to go for Marrow. Because in Marrow, like if you come to the videos part, the hours are very much, like for pharma only it's around 60 hours, and in PrepLadder the total video constitutes of only 170 or 167 hours, because in PrepLadder they had come with a concept of rapid revision course. So the material over there is very concise, the videos length are very concise, only 170 hours. But if you come to Marrow, it's a bit lengthy and it's a bit thriving. And if you are in first year or second year, it's totally best for you to go for Marrow, because the thing is you have a lot of time, and in Marrow there's a lot of concept based learning, and there will be a lot of questions like you'll be given a lot of cases that you need to solve, and also the teachers will help you in solving that. So Marrow becomes a good choice. And then if you come to notes, the notes are also very lengthy in Marrow, because as the study hours are very much, like the lecture hours are very much, so obviously the notes are also going to be a bit lengthy. But in PrepLadder it's very concise, it's very good for the third year and fourth year, or the interns basically, who don't have time 1 year 2 years, so you won't be able to study 18 hours or 20 hours a day while doing the classes. So it's better to go for PrepLadder because it's very concise and it will be very useful for you. And then if you come to the part of question banks, Marrow has total 17,000 MCQs and PrepLadder is 13,000. But the thing is, in PrepLadder, the previous NET PG that was done, 80% of the questions were from the question banks and also from the videos, while in Marrow the number was around 244 questions out of 300 questions. So like it's also 80%, like it's totally same in Prep and Marrow. But the thing is, if you're a first year or second year student and you're interested in concept based learning and you have enough time, so you can go for Marrow because it's very good, like because you have a lot of time and they will be teaching you in deep and the concepts are being cleared. But PrepLadder is mainly for the interns or the last year students, and it is mainly preferred by the FMG foreign graduate students because the notes are very concise, so it becomes a bit easy for them to go through and prepare for that, like so that they can attend more question banks and less number of video lectures. The notes are also very concise, so you can better give it a look to PrepLadder. So this is basically from my personal experience, because the thing is, if you'll be going to a student who is subscribe to Marrow and going through Marrow lectures and question bank, so he will obviously like ask you to go for Marrow, because like both these platforms are very good in their own territories. So if one is subscribed to Marrow, he will obviously ask you to go for Marrow, because obviously for him Marrow would be very good. The teachers would be, you would be connected more to the teacher, so he will obviously ask you for Marrow. And if you go to a student for prep, so the same applies for him also. He or she will also ask you to go for prep, because he's been also doing prep, like going through prep lectures from a long time. So it's better to go and ask a senior who is using both, or you can also use both, like the free lectures you can go through like Marrow and prep, and which you find useful or you like, you can get the subscription of that. Because yeah, if you get a subscription, you should better go for 1 year subscription, because it's around bit of cheap, like 30 to 32,000. So it's better to go through the free lectures on both the apps of Marrow and prep and then choose it. For this video I have gone through both Marrow and prep, so it's better you can also give it a look. It won't take much time, maximum you can give 1 week and go through the lectures and then decide. It will be better for you. So if you like the video, then do like, subscribe to the channel, and you can also watch my other videos of this channel that are on University of Perpetual Help tour, fee structure, and NMAT, NEET. So I'll give the link in the description below. It's better you can give it a watch, and thanks, and do subscribe to the channel.